Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty IT, and as you can see, this rally, this is on the daily time frame, 1, 2, 3, and 4 days of rally on Nifty IT. And as you can see, it has reached the support and it has made a doji. So we do not know if this is going to continue tomorrow or it's going to take rest. It could come down, retest this level of 540, and then perhaps go higher. If you look at it on a larger time frame, again, this is, as I said, this is Nifty IT. See this? It has taken multiple attempts to reverse, but everything got sold off. Let's see what happens to this particular attempt. It actually looks very good. This could be perhaps the bottoming out of Nifty Indian IT sector that we are seeing, and it could perhaps not rally. I'm not sure, but it could perhaps uh, be the recovery of Nifty IT that we are seeing. So from its top, Nifty IT has actually, where is it now? It is now somewhere like 30% down, and we are looking at something that looks like a recovery, but we're not sure. This candle is a doji, and it's formed at an important level. It's formed at a important level where there is a huge sell side liquidity. Coming back Nifty, well, I have to take all these out and then look at yesterday's analysis. Yesterday's analysis, we were of the opinion that Nifty, this is a sell side liquidity, and this is an important level that we had looked at. That's 24,000. Nifty had to have a strong close above that, and what a way to close above that. Nifty gapped up and then gapped up and closed all the way above this particular fair value gap. So that was very positive for Nifty. Let's get rid of all that analysis from yesterday, start afresh today on a monthly time frame. This is Nifty on a monthly time frame. And this is and for a bias I have written not sure. Why is it not sure? There is no lower high formation and there is no higher low formation, but as you can see, this is a high, this is a low, and this is indeed a higher low, but I wouldn't consider it until this monthly candle is closed. That's one more day to go. Yeah, 2 more days to go, sorry. And two important levels. This is where the sellers are and this is where the buyers are. So the sellers are here. This is the most important level, and a monthly close above this would be brilliant. That's about 28,437. We have 2 days to go, and I'm eagerly looking forward to it. And let us go to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, the bias here is not sure. Let me explain why is it not sure. This is a swing low. That swing low should have been protected for a bullish bias that was taken. This is a swing high. There is no lower high formation. So the previous swing high was this. This swing high was also taken. Swing low was also taken. So there's no bias on Nifty. There's a fair value gap that is formed while Nifty was on its way up. That had provided good support for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and this is the 6th week that is taking liquidity from this fair value gap. Now, on a daily time frame, this is where all the action is happening. Again, the bias is not sure because you see this swing low was taken, and then there is no lower high formation or higher low formation. That gives me bias, but we have fair value gaps to look out for. That is, now let's look at this line. Now this is the support. This is the target for Nifty, the immediate target for Nifty. If Nifty decides to go higher, that's 24,500, and the next target is 24,600. But that comes from all the way here. But let's look at 24,530. That's what I have. That's what this swing high is, and the other important fair value gaps. So there are, like, from the last few days of movement, there are two large fair value gaps that were formed on the way up. These are like liquidity zones. So if Nifty could technically fall back into one of these, and it acts like a cushion and it absorbs all the sell orders, and then Nifty could either consolidate in this area or fly higher. So that is what these fair value gaps are indicating. Now going over to a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty has become very interesting because you see this is a swing low. That means it is a higher low formation. This is a swing low and this is a swing low. So the higher low formation, it has become bullish. And on an hourly time frame, this is a swing low and this is a higher swing low, so that has become bullish again. So the smaller time frames looks like they have reversed, and it's just for the higher time frames to follow through. Well, I had been bullish on Nifty for the last so many days, and at least my bias was towards the bullish side, and it is playing out right now. But the driver IT sector has reached an important resistance. So I do not know how long this rally can last. I'm not a certified analyst, and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.